9 friendliest sea creatures around the world. 1. Eureko. They are a kind of wrasse with a fantastic bulbous chin and a magnificent forehead and are also known as Asian sheep's head wrasse. Although not much is known about this strange-looking fish, they have a history of being amicable with people. In fact, the Japanese diver named Hiroyuki Arakawa has become famous for sharing approximately 30 long years of friendship with Yoriko that he met in an underwater Shindo shrine. 2. Manta rays. Though the sea ray family is a mixed bag of friendliness, there are some species that can be vicious. Just like the stingray fish that can be nasty to the extent that it can take the life of a human being with one sting. On the other hand, manta rays are somewhat opposite and are quiet, peaceful, and incredibly friendly. That glancing at the fish people can mistake it to be an evil member of the ray family. Though that's not the case, and this thing does have some odd horn-shaped fins, the manta rays are actually famous for their peaceful and quiet nature, especially towards humans. There have been many recorded encounters of manta rays being curious towards their human guests, often gliding through the water. And it's the kind of elegant behavior that has earned them the name of sea angels. However, the manta ray is a lesser known and underappreciated member of the ray family and doesn't pose a threat to humans. 3. Sunfish. Though they might look different, these ocean sunfish are naturally friendly and curious. In fact, they are massive and have a voracious diet. Surprisingly, sunfish are amicable and are often seen interacting with scuba divers. These creatures can be found in tropical and temperate waters all around the world. 4. Whale shark. Despite being a species of shark, whale sharks are the largest fish in the world and are regarded as friendly giants of the sea due to their size and gentle nature. Humans may swim around them in total safety, and numerous tour companies set up such as with a knowledgeable guide on board. In fact, every year thousands of people flock to Cancun to swim with whale sharks, one of the biggest fish on the planet. Though sharks are known as a hunting machine, the whale shark's diet is entirely made up of plankton and krill, tons of it. Due to the diet being limited to microorganisms, there is absolutely no chance of humans being harmed or eaten by these gentle giants. In fact, they seem to quite like humans and have become somewhat accustomed to swimming humans. 5. Sea turtles. These cute creatures are extremely friendly and just so endearing. Sea turtles belong to the superfamily Cheloneoidea and are known to be quite gentle when they aren't harmed. Undoubtedly, this is the main reason why snorkeling with these marine creatures has become one of the most popular sea attractions around the world. 6. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are not only incredibly cute to look at, but also very friendly animals. They are found in the northern hemisphere's Arctic Ocean and its surrounding seas. These whales have frequently been seen swimming alongside speedboats, even allowing people to pet them or rub their bellies. 7. Manatees. This creature is often called as gentle giants, definitely for a good reason. Though it might look like one, manatees are very peaceful creatures, slow-moving, and are basically the cows of the ocean. In fact, in search of warmth, these creatures frequently swarm toward human activity. Manatees frequently show their friendliness to divers by nuzzling them underwater. 8. Sea lions. These intelligent and adorable animals are incredible to see up close. Even when humans don't appreciate the presence of humans, this creature seems to appreciate the presence of humans, which is kind of amazing. In fact, one Spanish marine park has even put together an attraction allowing tourists to come and swim alongside the sea lions themselves. But there is no doubt lions in the wild can occasionally be aggressive or even violent. However, these sea lions are apparently raised in a populated human environment that teaches and encourages them to be gentle and kind. Undoubtedly, the opportunity to swim alongside sea lions is one of the most memorable experiences one should definitely have. 9. Caribbean reef octopus. Caribbean reef octopus, like the whale's octopi, are sometimes wrongly misaligned as aggressive or difficult creatures to handle. But this is a pretty sweeping and untrue generalization. In fact, octopi are pretty harmless towards humans unless expressly provoked. The Caribbean reef octopus in particular is known to be an incredibly friendly species. They live in the coral reefs of the Caribbean and tend to generally keep to themselves unless they're planning to mate with others. However, while they can be territorial animals, they're not inherently aggressive toward humans. Despite the unfortunate truth that humans regularly hunt them, in fact the Caribbean reef octopus is often kept as a pet by some. Their friendly nature and generally independent behavior obviously make excellent pets. This animal makes a pretty good pet while they may not be